Good morning to our respected principal, teachers, and our friends. First of all, I would like to thank our sir principal for giving me such a great opportunity to speak on the Environment Day. So, before talking about environment, let us know what is the word environment. The word environment is derived from the French word, and it means that environment means surrounding. Okay, and environment. The first, what is the purpose of organizing this environment? They like our environment, and our first environment day was celebrated on 1973 in USA. So, and the first slogan of our environment day was "Send land, and save future." And its motto was "Our Earth." And today I am going to tell about the environment. So let me tell what is how our environment is affected. So I have taken many points like problems. In problems it comes like air pollution, water pollution, and land pollution, and global warming, and also desertification. So in problem there is air pollution, water pollution, and land pollution. How our air is affected? Like vehicles it produce carbon dioxide, and likewise greenhouse effect, they produce carbon dioxide. So these days we can prevent. Suppose like whenever this tsunami and storm, they are also air pollution, because of this only our human get affected, right? Because of tsunami, many houses will be destroyed. Because of storm also many houses get flooded. So they are the natural resources, and we cannot prevent them, right? But we can prevent the smoking and the vehicle gas it comes. These are all the gas which affect human beings. So because of this many diseases are caused, like lungs respiration and lung cancer. These all comes under air pollution. And let me tell land pollution and how our land is polluted. So in land pollution, from big factories and from cities, villages, they take their waste product and they throw for that it may be decomposed. But some garbages, some waste products, they don't decompose. So and there are many toxic chemicals which mix with our land, and it is mixed with our land. So our land doesn't remain the fertile like before, because it is not fertile, so it will give the plant with flower, right? And in paddy field, if our land is not fertile, then what it happens? The toxic chemical present there, it will affect human being, like indirectly or directly it will affect the humans only, because we take from that only, because the plants they grow in that field or that particular land we take, right? So and because of this our many problems, many diseases caused to human. And there is water pollution, likewise air pollution. In water pollution also many factories this waste product and from cities they take and they throw to the river, oceans, like ponds, they throw, right? So when they throw there are many toxic chemical, right? Toxic chemical they decompose. They don't decompose, but they will really mix. So because of mixing that, like aquatic animals they get problems, and we humans also get problems because the water is become polluted. So because of this polluted water, we take sometimes from river, so we filter. Sometimes many people they bath in river, and when this river water is polluted, then what happens? These people or those who bath in river, they will get many diseases like skin problem, right? And many allergies because of this water pollution only. And global warming. In this way, in this current days, our scientists they have made very great things like vehicles and fan, TV, AC. They are good because of this we can get more facilities. So but we must know how these things are going on, how it runs. It is runs because of carbon dioxide, like fossil fuel, coal, petroleum. It runs with this only. So to prevent this all, and whenever from greenhouse, main is the greenhouses. So if we reduce our greenhouse, then only our environment will be protected. So because in greenhouse there will be more carbon dioxide and from vehicles also they produce carbon dioxide, and also from coal they produce carbon dioxide. So all this carbon dioxide they will rise up, and they will go on the up, and they will accumulate. So because of they will accumulate, and they will observe the heat. So when they observe the heat, our earth will become more hotter. And what it causes, because of this hot, human beings they cannot live. For this only, in some people there, some places there is 52 degree, 55 degree, 38 degree. Because of this only, our human beings are also getting problem, and many people die such. And lastly, what is there? Desertification. So what is desertification is whenever our fertile land gets desert, means it's try to be desert or spreading our desert, means our fertile land, when it try to convert into dry like desert, it's called desertification. So it is because of deforestation, more grazing, and because of water also our land becomes desertification. So to prevent all these things, we must, first of all, we must plant more and more plants, because of this only plants they produce, because of, if we will plant more trees, this is the main reason. So everybody, and I want to say that everybody must plant at least 2 or 3 trees if they will cut one. And to prevent our this environment, is not we must not depend to others, because it is not someone's property, because it is everyone's property. And we must prevent we must protect our environment, and so that we may be safe, and our future also may be safe. Thank you.